Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hadian Sakti Kertowirangun. You can call me Hadian, and I am from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering in Institute in Sumatera Institute Technology. And in this video, I will explain about proximity sensor, how they work, the different type, and also demonstrate a PLC ladder diagram using the PLC trend board in Omron. This this video is made to fulfill the requirement of practical module 6 pneumatic in the automation system course. Uh, in first, what is a proximity? Proximity sensor is a sensor that can detect the presence of an object without physical contact. It is widely used in industrial automation, such as for detecting pneumatic cylinder position, product counting in on conveyor system, automatic door mechanism, and as a non-contact limit switch. Because it works without touching the object, proximity sensors are more durable and safer than mechanical switches. Okay. And in first type, inductive uh, proximity sensor. The first type is the inductive proximity sensor, which can only detect metal objects such uh, as iron or aluminum. It works by generating an electromagnetic field around the sensor. When a metal object enters this field, the field is disturbed, and the sensor output an on signal to PLC. A common example is detecting the position of piston rod in a pneumatic cylinder. And the next type, second type is the capacitive proximity sensor. Unlike the inductive type, this sensor can detect both metal and non-metal objects such as plastic, wood, glass, and even liquid. It's worth using a capacitive field when an object with a different dielectric constant get close the capacitance change and the sensor output a signal. This is often used for liquid or powder level detection in tank. How it works internally is a proximity sensor. There is sorry, there is an oscillator then generators and electromagnetic or capacitive field when an object enter the sense sensing area. The field is absorbed or disturbed. This disturbance is processed by a comparator, and the sensor output a digital signal, usually 24 volt DC. This output is then sent to PLC to the PLC as an input signal. Uh, Relation to pneumatic system, proximity sensor are commonly used to detect the position of pneumatic cylinder piston. When the piston reaches in an position, the sensor detect it and send a signal to PLC uh, to the PLC. The PLC then activates as a which control the airflow to move the piston in simple turn. The sensor is the eyes, the PLC is the brain, and the pneumatic actuator is the hand of the system. Okay, is ladder PLC in application Jackson programmer. And proximity sensors are commonly used to detect the position of pneumatic cylinder piston when the piston reaches uh, sorry okay, in application Jackson. Okay, in Jackson programmer. Okay, okay. This is a ladder diagram in practicum pneumatic system. In a first I/O, I no input pin 0.00 and close contact in input 0.01. In first pin 0 in turn on and pin 0.01 in off the system. Uh, in pin to proximity is this IO input 0.02, and if W001 active and switch limit switch inactive because okay, the programming like used in PLC called the slider diagram, which look similar to relay uh, relay control circuit. A simple logic. Example: if the proximity sensor is on, the solenoid coil active, the piston move forward. If the sensor is off, the solenoid is detective and the piston return. Ladder logic in this easy to read because it uh, visually resemble electrical switch and alarm circuit. Yeah. Is this a delay 5 seconds, and in this system uh, CNT or counter number. In number 10 is on number 10 if if in this uh, on for 5 seconds. In this to relay in solenoid valve, right? And yeah, uh, this is a ladder program. This ladder program and 10 minutes simulation. In simulation, in this value 1, system turn on, and if system 1 and the proximity is detected object, plastic, right, on, no one on, and this on for 5 seconds, and off, on, in on 5 seconds. But is this pin 0 for on, value on, right, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, in a proximity sensor detected object to 10 10 detect object is a timer on in 5 seconds. Pneumatic cylinders piston detect 10 object in up to piston in 5 seconds. Alright, now I will demonstrate the actual system using the PLC breadboard. So wiring and input signal. When I bring and the object close the proximity sensor, the input like on the PLC turn on and the solenoid valve active, closing the piston to move. This is a real example of automation using proximity sensor and PLC in industrial. Okay. Um, in the end, my name Hadin Sakti Purwanangun. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao.